Hey, I'm Matt Lavelle with WHSL Market and Bilo Warehouse, and I want to give you some of the tips and tricks to make the most out of your WHSL Market experience. People ask regularly, hey, how should I prepare, or what should I do? What should I expect? So I'm hoping that these 5 little tips or tricks could really help you get the most out of the event. So the first one is download the app. We have an app for the conference, and it is the hub of all the information. We have our agendas. We have all the speakers. The speakers have bios. They have pictures, so you know who you're looking for. All the exhibitors. You have booth spots. You have a bio about them. They might have even uploaded some information that you can download. You can schedule meetings. You get notifications. Like, the app is the hub for everything. So download it. If you're an exhibitor, download it early and then get in there and start fleshing out your profile. You can upload PDFs that are like sales material or information about specific loads that you're looking to sell or product and merchandise you're trying to move. You could upload coupons or whatever you want to do as an exhibitor. Fill that out. Let people know that, hey, here's what we have to offer. And then if you're an attendee, get in there early. Start looking, do some networking, get in there early, start understanding what you can do and what you can see and what the agenda has laid out. Get the app early, start checking it out. We even have some frequently asked question packets for both exhibitors and attendees that we upload to that help them navigate getting to the conference, getting everything set up, making sure they don't miss anything. Number 2, prepare ahead. Don't just show up and think, oh, this is going to be the best conference. Make sure you bring your business cards. Make sure that you are ready, that you have gotten on Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever social media you decide that you want to research people in. Look at the exhibitors. Look at the speakers. Look at some of the other attendees. Start researching ahead of time to figure out who you think can put you in the best position of getting value out of the conference. Maybe even reach out to them and schedule some meetings. There's so many things that you can do ahead of time that sets yourself up for success. Make sure it turns into something. That's within your control. And if you don't do it, that's on no one else but you. Third, be active on your social media sites. Whatever you like to do, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, be active. And be active not only beforehand, but during and after. Take pictures while you're there with other attendees, exhibitors, speakers. Go ahead and be posting ahead of time and on the backside. Why? Well, your customers are checking out your social media, and that sends major trust signals that, hey, you're not just sitting at the house hoping the next deal comes by. You're spending money and time putting yourself in positions to get the best deals to serve your customers the best. So make sure that you are staying active on social both before, during, and after the event so that you can make sure you're getting the most content that you can for the people that are following you. The fourth one is take advantage of all the different WHSL sponsored events that you can. So we have the happy hours, we have the cornhole tournaments, we have the speed networking in the morning. We might have some other events going on. Again, all of the agenda is in the app so you can see it all, but take advantage of all the different sponsored events that WHSL is offering. Those are your opportunities to really get the networking in that you want and to really build those relationships. This business is so dependent on relationships. There's very few things that I would say rival the relationships in this industry. If you don't have that relationship, you don't get access to that supply. If you don't have the relationship with the customers, they don't buy from you. So number 4, take advantage of all the WHSL sponsored events. That's how you're going to get the most out of the conference. The 5th thing is set yourself up for success so that you can stay at the conference. So some simple things to think about. Wear tennis shoes. Don't wear dress shoes or really high heels. You're going to be doing a lot of walking. You're going to be on concrete. So make sure you feel good the whole time. dress business casual or professional. Just represent yourself and your brand in a way that people think they want to do business with you or they want to have a conversation with you. Make sure you have your business cards. So again, set yourself up for success so that you can make the most out of being at that conference. Again, I kind of mentioned beforehand being on socials, and then also preparing beforehand with reaching out, trying to network before and after. Definitely do that. That goes into the setting yourself up for success as well. So again, as an exhibitor or sponsor or an attendee, you can put in effort on the front end, back end to get even more out of the conference. And I encourage you to do so. That's again, the WHSL Market is going to be April 21st and 22nd of 2026 in Louisville, Kentucky. We're hosting it at a beautiful facility, the International Kentucky Convention Center. It sits right in the heart of downtown Louisville. So much nightlife, so many restaurants, hotels right within walking distance. It's right on the river. It is a beautiful location, great setting. It's really local to the Midwest and East Coast. Most people can drive and really conserve cash. It's not an expensive city, so you're not spending a ton of money while you're there. All you're doing is showing up and gaining value that can take your business to the next level. So again, that's April 21st and 22nd. I really, really hope that I see you there. Hey guys, thanks for watching the top 5 tips. Before we go, I got a few more tips that may not have made the top 5, but I still think they're really valuable. Let's call them bonus tips. The first one is, don't be afraid when you're at the event or around the event. Don't be afraid to introduce yourself. Everyone is there for the same reason. They want to meet people. They want to shake hands. They want to get to know people and find resources for whatever they're looking for, whether that's on a buy side or a sell side. So don't be shy. Shake people's hands. Introduce yourself. Next, find a hotel that's close. Put yourself in position to have success by being in the area where other people are. That starts with just getting a hotel in the downtown area. Don't be traveling far. Also, before you show up or while you're there, have a hit list. It is a list of people that I want to meet and talk with, or it's a list of merchandise type that I'm trying and hoping to find. And I keep that, it's written out. I normally keep it in my pocket. And it's something that as I'm going throughout my conference, I'll pull it out when I think I found one of those, and I'll just cross that person or that product type off. I've found the solution. I jot down the notes of where that solution is or how that conversation went. And then I continue with my hit list. I show up with a plan. Have a written hit list. It keeps you on track. It doesn't let you get straying off course. And it's just been super valuable for me. The next one is never eat alone. I don't care if you're eating breakfast, dinner, lunch, a snack somewhere in between. Don't eat alone. You're surrounded by over 1,000 people that are in your same industry. They're going to eat as well. Why not invite them? If they say no, go invite someone else. Or if they say they can't, invite a third person, but never eat alone. That is a perfect opportunity. You got 30, 45 minutes to an hour or more to get to know someone. It's another relationship in the industry. You never know. Maybe if they don't have the type of product you want, maybe you can reach out to them in the future and say, hey, this person's trying to sell me something. Can I trust them? Well, you now know you can trust this person. You just spent an hour with them. So those relationships can come into play and be valuable throughout your career. So never eat alone. Lastly is hang out outside of the conference area, like the conference center. So I talked about having a hotel down in that area that inadvertently would put you in the area around the hours of the conference center. You never know. You go to Starbucks, you meet someone else. You go to a lunch or a dinner, or you're walking through the hotel lobby, you meet someone else. Again, it's all setting yourself up for success. It puts you in a position to win and gain the most value you can out of the time and money that you spent getting to the conference. So again, those didn't make the top 5 of the tips and tricks for WHSL, but I still thought they were super valuable. I didn't want to leave without giving you all the ideas. So I hope that this has helped prepare you and put you in a position to get the most out of WHSL Market this year. Again, it's April 21st and 22nd in Louisville, Kentucky. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, send us an email at support@WHSLmarket.com. and we will get back with you as soon as we can, which should be pretty speedy. But we look forward to you again April 21st and 22nd. Hope to see you there.